Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to blur the background of an image in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account. So go into the upper right corner and log into your account, or if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one and log in, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can see all the options you can access, you can find all your projects right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with blurring a background. The first thing you want to do is go right here into the upper right corner and start to create a new design if you do not already have one. If you already have a project where your picture is, you can just go ahead and open it up right here from the projects. If not, let's go ahead and create a new design, and let's go ahead and create a new presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and start creating a presentation. This is going to open up a new tab with our new presentation where we can get started with editing it. So in our presentation right here, we can get started with adding our pictures. So at the left side of the screen guys, we are going to have the uploads option. Click on uploads, and after clicking the uploads guys, you can now go ahead and get started with uploading files from your PC. You can upload them, you can choose them from Facebook, Google Drive, doesn't matter, and after you upload them guys, you'll be able to find them right here. So let's go ahead and take the picture we want to blur and drag it right here. So guys, I'm using a random picture. If you're using a picture with a background, it's going to work the same, and basically what you want to do is click on the picture. After clicking on it, this is going to open up the menu options right here that you can find, and you want to click on edit image. After clicking on edit image guys, now we'll be able to see the studio right here where we can get started finding all the effects for our image. And if we scroll down guys, as you can see, here is the effects option, and guys, under effects is going to be an option that says blur. So what you want to do is go ahead and select blur, and now guys, you can go ahead and get started with adding blur with a brush. So as you can see, after adding blur, it's going to add the blur into your picture and everything is going to be blurred. So you can just go ahead and blur your background using this. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.